Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ty, the owner of The Beauty Booth, and if this is your first time watching, thank you for tuning in, and hopefully you hit the little red subscribe button at the bottom to subscribe to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for staying with us throughout this journey, and thank you for going with us. So today we're going to be doing a small clip or a small video on how I do my own professional product photography at home at low cost. I am a professional photographer as well, so I do have a lot of equipment that some of you guys may not have, but you can always find the little LED light rings on Amazon. You can find professional photography lights on Amazon. You can find really good professional cameras for cheap prices, and used products as well, used cameras as well on internet, eBay, or Dorma, just a couple of different websites. So first of all, excuse any noise you hear in the background. My babies are still up. So today we are going to be showing, we're going to be shooting our eyelashes. So these are our wholesale eyelashes that I'm about to get ready to put on our site in bulk quantity, so people can start purchasing because they're already like, hey, when are you gonna put your lashes on the site so I can stock up because I'm getting ready for Black Friday. So I shoot Sony. I have always shot with Sony. I love Sony. I'm a Sony lover. To me, there's nothing that compares to it. I'm pretty sure for other photographers, they probably have a lot of better lenses out there and other different cameras, but personally, I just prefer Sony. Um, they have really good 24 megapixel cameras, 36 megapixel cameras at decent prices that you guys can probably get even use to do your own product photography. And if not, if you have a camera phone that has decent quality, you can use your camera phone as well. So my baby. So whenever I order my lashes or any of my products, I always get a sample so I can have for myself or for my model or whatever the case. Because I don't sell any products that I open. I don't. I always get a sample for myself so I can take pictures of, so I can model. I do not sell my samples. They're mine. They're for me, for my purpose, for my use, or for my model. I don't believe in, even before the pandemic started, I don't believe in giving or selling anyone used or tested product. Everything that comes from the beauty booth is always sealed. Even our box lipstick comes in the shrink wrap, so it's never been opened. If there's a defect, I just automatically send you another one to replace it because I don't open a product, so I wouldn't know. Everything's from the manufacturer, sealed. As you see, these lashes are. Our lashes do come in the box. They don't just come in the little excuse my baby in the background. I do not own the rights to her content. But anyways, they just some other lashes just come in clear little cases like this in plastic, like this. My lashes don't come like that. They come in an actual box, as you guys can see, and the box is saran wrap for sanitary purposes, whatever. So I'm gonna start by taking my lashes out of the case. I do have lash applicators that I normally use. However, my hands are clean. I just washed them, and I'm just gonna take them out. And these are going to be my sample that I'm going to wear for to model and for photography purposes. I'm just going to take them out and I'm going to place them on my cardboard. And I'm going to show you guys everything I have for. So as you guys can see, I have this white cardboard that I couldn't have because it was very, very big, and I use it for most of my product photography. I got it from Walmart for maybe like $1 or $2. And this is one of my professional lights. I do not have the actual diffuser on there because I wanted the light to be very vibrant for my lashes. As you guys can see, I have taken one lash out of the case so far, and I'm going to place it right here. And I'm going to take out the other one as well. Like I said, I have lash applicators that I would typically use, but I'm not using them right now because I'm going to make this really short and quick. So this is just one way you can set up your lashes for your photography. If you go to my website, thebeautybooth.com, you see that most of my lashes are set up like this. My light is dead on it, so it's gonna give it that nice look. And I'm gonna go ahead and start taking pictures right now so you guys can see the quality of my photos, and they're gonna pop up in the video as well. Once again, please, 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 I'm sorry, ignore any baby noise you hear in the background. They're still awake and they're going to be up for a while now. So I am actually shooting on manual right now. My ISO is on 400, excuse me. I'm at a 5.6 for my s-stop, and I'm shooting at 150 for my speed. So if you guys are not familiar with that product, with that photography lingo, it's fine, but you will see the quality of this photo in 1 second. And if you don't have a zoom lens, I mean a macro lens is fine. It's good if you have a zoom lens, as you see my camera has, to get in there and get some nice, really good clear pictures, as you see in the one that just popped up below. So I typically do a couple different shots for my lash styles. I'm just going to change my focus area real quick. But as you see, my setup is very, very minimum, as you can see. And I'm producing really good Ulta Beauty style, product photography at this point for website photography. So I'm just going to change the lash around at this point, and I'm going to just give it a different style so I can shoot it at a different angle so my customers can see the lashes at a different angle. And like I said, I'm actually shooting above, so there's no shadow on the lash itself. And you just want to play around to achieve different little angles with your lashes. And you guys should be seeing these pictures pop up in the video. And if you feel like the light is too bright, you can always adjust your lighting. You can always also adjust the lighting on your camera with your ISO, and just messing around with your shutter speed, your f-stop, stuff like that. Also, if you feel like this light, as I stated, you just want to make sure that you are getting different angles of your product for your site that you think your customers are going to want to see the angle from. Or you have to think of yourself as a customer. What angles do you want to see this product from? How is it going to look on you? What does it look like, look when the eyes are closed? What does it look like from the side? Customers want to see all those things. So you want to make sure that you're getting the angle for every single angle of the product. So now I'm going to turn it to the side, as you can see, as I did right here. And I'm going to get a shot, and this shot will come up right here in just a second for you guys to see. And you want to make sure that your photos are as clear as possible whenever you are doing your photography. Customers want clear pictures, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to switch out my lash style, and we're going to go to the next one. I'm just going to move these over right here to the side because I'm going to get a picture of these together in a second. So I'm just going to move those over to the side, and I'm pulling out the next one. And as I stated before, these are going to be my samples. I always order a sample for myself, and these are indeed mine. So I have one lash, I'm just going to put it this way. And I have 2 lash. I'm going to put it this way as well. So we're going to start off how we started with our last lash style. And we're just going to, as you can see in the photo that's going to pop up in a second. Great. I'm going to turn it to the side. Get a side pick. Beautiful. And then now I'm going to do that thing that I did earlier. And we're shooting from above. So there's no shadow. Above at an angle, so there's no shadow. As you guys can see, you're only getting the shadow of the actual lash itself. So that is how I do my product photography for my website on my own. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Just took another photo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and tune in for more website tips, more business tips with the Beauty Booth. We're not just a retail company, we also offer wholesale, as I mentioned before, and we actually help other businesses start their own beauty empire. So if you're interested in starting your own beauty empire, go to www.thebeautybooth.com, and our email is on there, our contact form is on there. You can email us at info@thebeautybooth.com or support@thebeautybooth.com, and just access, inquire on how we can help you start your own beauty brand. We do have a vendors list for sale on our website. Also, if you want to make us your vendor, that's even better, because we're right here in the U.S. The shipping time is a lot faster, the processing time is faster, and the rate is we're just convenient, more so than ordering overseas. So be sure to go ahead and check out thebeautybooth.com, check out our products, check out our website, I guess the layout of our site, and let us know how you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let us know how we can improve it. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye bye.